Hello, thanks for tuning in. This is Farron with Step Above Marketing. I was giving you guys information from one of our reps here named Johnny. We're shooting you guys a video in regards to growing your business online. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right on in because I don't want to waste any of your time. I'm going to go over the three main things that we use to help businesses grow online. We focus mainly on content and we focus on backlinks and we pretty much focus on citations. So I'm just going to give you a quick review of what all of that entails, okay? All right. So when your customer goes looking for a certain service, most of the time they're going to go to Google. We all go to Google when we need something. So that's the one of the main platforms that you want to build your business up on. Okay, so say a customer is typing in auto shop in Lithonia. All right, so what's going to come up, of course, is we always have that good Google Maps that comes up with the first three top three businesses in the area. So when customers around here are looking you up, they're going to see A plus, they're going to see Service First Auto, First Class Auto Repair. These are the top people that are going to come up for that location area. And these people are going to get 30% of all the people who are looking for auto repair in Lithonia every month. Okay. And then these people down here, which these people are in the organic results, these websites are going to get 70% of the calls. Okay. So, and no one's going to go to the second page. So everyone on this first page is going to get the brunt of the calls, and the people at the top here. So, in order to get up here, of course, you're going to want to up your reviews. You're going to want to up your engagement. You're going to want to up the description and everything. You're going to want to call people back. When you miss calls, there's a whole lot of things that Google is tracking for your business when they decide if they're going to push you to the top for results. And connecting your website here also helps you to be in the top organic results here, having that website. Okay. And so, since you guys do not have a website at the time, what I'm going to do is pretty much for the examples, use a competitor's website to pretty much show you what we mean by content. Okay. So, when Google pulls results for what a customer is asking for, they're going to put people at the top who are well known, who have more reviews, and who have a good website that has enough content. Okay, so having a good website that has the information on is what they're looking at. Okay, so these people came up first for Auto Shop Lithonia. So if you look here on some of their top pages up here, they have a decent amount of pages. Okay, so that first lets Google know that they are informative on auto repair. So if you look at this page here, it doesn't have that much wording, but it has a lot more than some of the other people in the area. So that's why this one is getting pushed up, of course. So just letting the customer know, all about your services, having other parts here where it links to other pages. All of this is crucial when Google decides on what website they're going to push to the front. So you want to make sure that you have enough information for everything, every service, everything that you do. You want to have enough information. And another thing you want to do is you want to be able to use a lot of the right keywords. People are looking for auto shop Lithonia, auto repair shop, Conyers, Decatur, things like that. When you use those words, it signals Google to pull your information. Okay. So that's another part of having your content optimizing things like that. So having a website that's good to go, got all the information, that's what's going to help your business grow, help you stay and maintain the first web page results. Okay. And again, having your name listed in multiple places, that's how you're going to get citations. Okay. So when people are looking for your business, you want it to come up in multiple search results. And you do that by listing your business in multiple directories, like how you have Yelp here. So there's a lot of directories just besides Yelp where you can have all of your business information listed, which is your name, phone number, all of that. And that helps the Google search engine to know that you're a credible business. Okay. So we're going to go over here to a tool that I call Ahrefs, that I use that's called Ahrefs. And what it does is it gives you the backend information for a website. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm using one of your competitors' websites for an example. All right. So if you can see, they have 129 backlinks. All right. So a backlink is when another website is pointing back to your website. So you might have another website that recommends you, say, hey, for auto service in Lithonia, go check out, such and such. That's called a backlink. When you have another website on the computer, pretty much like giving you a shout out, to make it sound easier. Okay, and then that goes along with the referring domains. Okay, so they have other websites pointing to their website and helping them. Okay, so these people, Service First Auto. Let's take a look at some of their keywords. It's saying that they have 456 keywords that Google recognizes their website for, okay? And they're getting about 235 visitors. Now, this is just an estimate, so they're getting at least 235 website viewers to come to their website every day. So once you're pretty much set up and optimized, you get much more traffic, okay? All right, so let's take a look at some of their keywords here, okay? Some of the stuff that people around the area are finding them for and that they're on the first page for. Okay, so when people go looking for auto repair in Lithonia, Georgia, they're popping up number 2. So they're on that first page for that, okay? Um, so when people put that in, oil change, in Decatur, auto repair in Decatur, um, you could have your website pop up for those things, and that way some of this traffic, starts to come to whoever's at the top. And once you optimize your website, you'll get some of this traffic, like some of the keywords: window tint, Conyers, Georgia, window tinting, Lithonia. These are some of the things that this business is up here for. They're on the first page for because they have their website optimized for that. Okay. So getting, the right keywords in your wording inside your content, having the proper amount of backlinks. Let's just take a quick look at some of the backlinks. So they have 129 backlinks. If we were to sign you up with SEO, we would have to go about 50 more than they have. So if they have 130, well then guess what? We're going to go ahead and have 180 backlinks and websites, pointing back to your website. And this is how you beat people out and claim the top spot in Google, okay? So these are some of the showing you some of the backlinks, which are other websites that point to their website and help them. So we're able to go in here and see all of this. We're able to go in here and build relationships with those same directories and websites and get more to help you max out that number. Okay, so I don't want to go into too much detail because I don't want to confuse you guys, but pretty much just wanted you guys to get the gist of how we're able to pretty much analyze and market your competitors so we're able to help you, claim the top spots on Google's maps, help you get more customers and things like that. We also offer other services such as advertising and so forth and so on. Whatever we have to do for your business as it relates to help you grow on and offline and get you more leads. Okay, so hopefully you learned a lot through this quick video. If you don't happen to need our services, we ask that you refer us to someone who does, because of course most small businesses would like to be on that first page of Google and have their website showing up on the first page as well. So, if so, we would greatly appreciate your feedback. If anything, just letting us know how the video went and how you liked it or if you didn't. We appreciate your time. Thank you for watching the video. I wish you the best of luck and most success in your business. Thank you.